What's up, PC Gaming Pulse fam? Get ready for a lightning-fast rundown of the biggest stories rocking the gaming and tech world. First up, we're diving deep into the monumental $100 billion deal between Nvidia and OpenAI. This partnership is set to redefine the AI landscape, but it's not without its challenges. Next, we're asking the burning question: is Reddit stock the next Nvidia? We'll break down Reddit's incredible surge and compare it to Nvidia's legendary performance, exploring the AI opportunities fueling both. Then, we're tackling the massive problem looming over Nvidia and OpenAI's data center plans. Where exactly are they going to find all the power they need? This could be a game changer for the entire AI industry. And finally, we'll look at the broader market reactions, including the S&P 500's recent movements and Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell's thoughts on market valuations. Stick around, you don't want to miss this. Hit that like, subscribe, and bell icon so you never miss an update. Nvidia and OpenAI forge $100 billion AI alliance, but power demands spark concerns. This colossal $100 billion investment from Nvidia into OpenAI is poised to reshape the future of artificial intelligence, fueling OpenAI's ambitious data center expansion. However, this monumental plan is facing a significant hurdle: securing an immense amount of power to support these cutting-edge facilities. The core of the issue lies in the sheer energy consumption of the advanced AI infrastructure required. OpenAI's need for massive computing power translates directly into an unprecedented demand for electricity, raising serious questions about grid capacity and sustainable energy sourcing. Analysts are scrutinizing the feasibility of powering these AI hubs without creating significant strain on existing power grids or environmental concerns. The partnership aims to accelerate AI development, but the practicalities of its energy footprint are now under intense scrutiny from investors and energy sector experts alike. The tech community and financial markets are buzzing with this development. While some see this as a visionary move that will accelerate AI innovation, others are highlighting the logistical and infrastructural challenges. Discussions are rampant on social media and financial forums about the potential impact on energy markets and the feasibility of scaling such power-intensive operations. Investor sentiment appears divided, with some focusing on the long-term AI potential and others on the immediate energy supply challenges. Could this massive investment signal a new era of AI dominance, or is it a bet on a future that's struggling to find its power source? Stay tuned as we dive into whether Reddit stock is poised to become the next Nvidia in our next segment. Reddit stock's AI surge: is it the next Nvidia? Reddit stock has been on an incredible run this year, soaring 62% thanks to its emerging role in the artificial intelligence space. This surge has ignited comparisons to Nvidia, the undisputed leader in AI hardware, which has seen a staggering 678% increase over the past 5 years. Reddit's platform has become a goldmine for training large language models, LLMs, a critical component in AI development. Since its IPO in March 2024, Reddit has reported a remarkable 78% year-over-year sales increase, reaching $500 million in its last quarterly report, with an impressive gross margin of 90.8%. The company anticipates continued strong momentum, guiding for sales between $535 million and $545 million this quarter. With a market capitalization of approximately $49.5 billion, Reddit is valued at about 24 times its expected sales this year, positioning itself as a key data provider for the burgeoning AI industry. While matching Nvidia's 5-year performance is a monumental task, Reddit's current trajectory and its crucial role in the AI data supply chain have captured the attention of investors. The community is abuzz with discussions about Reddit's potential to deliver significant returns, with many risk-tolerant investors viewing it as a compelling AI play. But even as Reddit climbs, the broader market is feeling the pressure. We'll break down the S&P 500's latest moves and what Fed Chair Jerome Powell had to say about market valuations next. S&P 500 pauses as AI enthusiasm cools, Powell cautions on valuations. The S&P 500 index has broken its three-day winning streak, closing lower as investor confidence in the sustainability of the artificial intelligence bull market wavered. This pullback occurred even after the index touched a new intraday high earlier in the session, signaling a shift in market sentiment. The recent surge in AI-related stocks, particularly Nvidia, has been a major driver of market gains. However, doubts are emerging about the long-term viability of this trend. Nvidia's shares experienced a notable decline of 2.8% following news of its $100 billion investment in OpenAI. Some investors are drawing parallels to the dot-com bubble, questioning the fundamental strength of such large-scale investments and the capacity of the infrastructure, especially power, to support the ambitious growth plans of these AI giants. This sentiment was echoed by Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell, who commented that equity prices are fairly highly valued, and indicated that the path for interest rate cuts remains uncertain due to the challenging economic situation. Despite the tech sector's turbulence, the broader market showed resilience, with the small-cap Russell 2000 reaching an all-time high. Investors are now keenly awaiting the upcoming Personal Consumption Expenditures Price Index report, which is the Fed's preferred inflation gauge, and keeping a close eye on political developments, including the increasing possibility of a government shutdown. The market's reaction highlights a cautious optimism, balancing the potential of AI with concerns about economic stability and valuation. While the market digests these shifts, we're keeping an eye on every crucial development. Up next, we'll recap the biggest stories and give you the ultimate call to action. Nvidia and OpenAI's $100 billion AI bet faces a monumental power problem. Nvidia's ambitious $100 billion investment in OpenAI, aimed at supercharging the AI company's data center infrastructure, has ignited both excitement and serious concern across the tech and financial sectors. While the partnership promises to accelerate AI development, it has brought to light a critical challenge: the immense and potentially unsustainable demand for electricity. The sheer scale of OpenAI's planned data center expansion, powered by Nvidia's investment, requires a staggering amount of energy. This has led industry observers and investors to question the availability and sustainability of the power grid infrastructure needed to support such a massive undertaking. Concerns are mounting over whether existing power supplies can meet this escalating demand without significant upgrades or the development of new, potentially less environmentally friendly energy sources. The situation draws parallels to historical market bubbles, where ambitious technological leaps outpaced infrastructural readiness, raising questions about the long-term viability of these AI-driven growth plans. This development has sent ripples through the market, impacting not only Nvidia and OpenAI, but also energy companies expected to benefit from increased power consumption. While some see this as a forward-thinking strategy that solidifies Nvidia's dominance in the AI ecosystem, others are sounding alarms about the potential for an energy crisis that could bottleneck AI advancement. The debate is heating up regarding the practicalities of powering the next generation of artificial intelligence. That's a wrap on today's top stories. Make sure you're subscribed and have that notification bell on. That's all the essential news you need to know. We covered Nvidia and OpenAI's massive $100 billion deal and its power challenges, explored if Reddit stock could be the next Nvidia, and saw the S&P 500 react to AI market trends and Fed commentary. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to PC Gaming Pulse for more, hit that notification bell, share your thoughts in the comments, and follow us on all our social channels for even more gaming and tech insights.